such a lovely day. Only if I could see it. Because I'm blind. Dude! These will be the best fit for you. Hey, I can't find my cane. Get out of here. What the fuck is your problem here? Help me, please. I was looking for this. Dude, not even. You don't have to close your eyes when you're flying. You, get out of here. I think these are the best. I need my cane. Dude, that's my shanker. Come on, stand over here. This is the best fit for you. Here's your cane. They are pretty nice. That does hurt. Jesus. Try the pimp stick. Oh, don't hit with the pimp stick. Hey, I'm the magic fairy. Ignore me. Magic fairy. She can't see. I'm over here. You're my face. Okay. Don't. Hey, you're not here. You're dead. Okay. You want to see, don't you? Yeah. I'd kill to see anything. What would you kill? I'd kill anything to see. Oh, you have to kill anything. I'd kill anything. I'd kill anything to see. Shut up! This isn't what a fairy's supposed to do. Now you die. Holy shit! I can see again. I told you you'd kill anything. I killed her. What the hell am I